Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we're gonna do my night routine together and I'm going to show you how to use the Medicube Age Booster Pro and give you a full tutorial step by step explaining each mode and how does the device work. Let's get started. Well, as you can tell, I already cleaned my face and I use this soap to clean my face, which is the Roche-Posay soap. It's really gentle. I highly recommend it. The reason why it's so shocking that this is like red because I had makeup and I was using makeup remover and I usually get it like very irritated. So I first start with my eye cream that you have seen. This is a sample that I got from Caudalie from an order that I placed on Sephora, but actually the one that I use is the one that I totally love, which is this one. As you can see, it's like very used, which is the Belif one. So I'm actually gonna use the tip of this one because I'm not gonna use any eye mask today to rub it. I really like this tip because it gets very cold and like the shape, it's very convenient for your eyes. And I don't know how it stays cold. It's just that it has like a ceramic tip. And the product is really good as well. My eye bags today are pretty bad, but anyways, this is the Medicube Age Booster Pro. This device, it's amazing. First, let's talk about the device. So as you can see, it's very ergonomic, very simple, minimalistic. It has a LED screen, power on button, which also later helps you to change the modes, and it has the modes. The levels, and then it has the mode. So we're gonna turn it on. So naturally, when you turn it on, it's in booster mode. So I'm going to talk about this mode. This mode pretty much is to help you absorb more of the products. So let's say if I use any products, and right now it's going to help me get it into a deeper layer of the skin. Then we have the microcurrent mode. This one is for fine lines. So any lines that we have in these areas of the skin, this one's pretty good for that. I'm gonna also leave you like a couple of pictures for each mode so you can see the technology behind it and how it penetrates all the layers of the skin. Then we have the Derma Shot mode, which helps you with your like muscles, like shape and structure different body parts. And finally, my favorite, which is Air Shot mode. Basically, it's gonna have like some electricity that's gonna go through your pores and open them. So today actually I'm gonna use this first. This is the only one that I don't use in level 5 because it's like pretty strong. So I'm gonna start using it. This helps you to like, you know, microneedling so the products can penetrate better on your skin. So you just literally go, you have to do it either on the side or you have to tap it. I like to go by the side. It makes like an electric sound and also it like smells like something is burning, but don't be scared because that's totally normal. Okay, so this is me from a voiceover perspective. I know it's so weird, first time doing voiceover. Pretty much right now I am doing the art shot mode. I just wanted to talk a little bit more because I didn't tell you at the beginning. Pretty much I said that these are like electricity. It feels like electricity, but according to the Medicube website, these are vibrations. So they are made to open your pores and also close it. So it's like a pore treatment. I freaking love this because I just feel like it does so much for my skin. And then after I put in the products, and you're gonna later see that, I feel like my skin is so amazing. Legs texture. I also go in my neck because I totally love the effect, like I said. And something that you need to know is that you should wash your face, not use anything else. Your face should be really dry before you use this, and you shouldn't use this more than 2 or 3 times a week, because if you do it more than that, then you're overdoing it and you're damaging your skin. So when you complete a session, it gives you the option either to turn off or to move on to the next session, but we're not gonna do that now because now since my pores are open, this is the moment where I'm gonna put all the things that I want to put in my face, or all of the active ingredients that I want to go that penetrate really great on my skin, because like I said, this is like an electricity. It opens up your pores and also close it a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with this Denny Gross retinol patches, which I love. They're actually very strong. I just use it like once a week, I don't use it every day, so they come like this. You open it, and it's literally like a pad. So you're gonna just like tap it on your skin very lightly. And also you're gonna put it on your neck. And because one pad is like a lot for me, I also put it on my chest as well. So these patches are made out of retinol that I didn't tell you, but they are made of 0.5 pure retinol. So I let it sit and dry a little bit and I kind of like rub it on my chest. Then I'm gonna go in with my night serum, which is gonna be the Caudalie Vinoperfect. And once I go in with this, I'm gonna complete the rest of the modes with my Medicube Age Booster Pro, and I'm gonna continue explaining a little bit about each mode. Something really important, you should avoid using the device near your thyroid area, and also be very careful when using it around the eyes and lips because these are areas that are really sensitive. Use it in the low level modes for these areas. Now we're going with the booster mode. This mode, like I said, helps you absorb better your skincare products. So since I put my serum and my retinol, I'm gonna go in because I want my face to absorb all of that good components on my very expensive skincare products. Yeah, I have to say that, very expensive, by the way. But it's really worth it because I am 24. I'm looking like a baby. I don't know about you. But anyways, like I said, there are different methods that you can use this mode. There's the watering mode, which is how I'm doing it now. Pretty much like circling around my face. There's the boosting mode. That is when you're sliding it, like I was doing it on my forehead. And there's the focus mode, which I only use it honestly with the air shot mode. But you can also do the focus treatment. And also like a tip that my friend gave me, you can also leave the light in a specific spot. Let's say if you have pimples or if you're having like a breakout or something, you can, because it has red light therapy too, because you're not only getting the benefits of each mode, you're also getting the light therapy, the LED light therapy, which is amazing. And you can just leave it a little bit there, and my friend told me that it helps. I really don't get acne that much, but she recommended me that, and if you're experiencing this is another way that you can use it. So now we're going with the microcurrent mode, and I'm going to focus here on my fine lines and on my forehead. So the microcurrent mode, oh my god, I think I am in love with this device at this point. I just keep saying wonders, and it's because it really is. I hope that I took before and after pictures when I started using this like a year ago, but I do not have. I'm so sorry, such a bad content creator. But I love this mode. You know, the fine lines in your face are gonna disappear, trust me. My face looks like I did Botox. I have never done any like injectable procedure in my face. Look at it right now. It's like literally lifting my skin, and it reduces my fine lines so much that it's just amazing. I love this one. It gives me a lifting effect. The last mode, which is, you can see my skin's already looking better from the start. Obviously I have less eye bags. It was not eye bags, it was just irritated, but we are with the Derma Shot, which is like for the muscle definition. You can actually see your muscle twitch. Look. Now we have the Derma Shot. Derma Shot is amazing. It's literally a workout but for your face. It also helps you have that snatch looking jawline, very sharp. I love this for that. You can also use it on your clavicles, back of your neck, any body part, but I just primarily use it on my face and neck. And also, I forgot to tell you, but all of the other modes, you can use it daily except for the air shot mode. And also you can change the light therapy depending on their skin concerns. I told you there's also purple light that is only available in the app. So yeah, try this because it's great. So finally, I go in with my moisturizer. I really like to go with this thick moisturizer when my skin is sensitive or at night. And since it's like sensitive right now, I'm gonna put it on. You can tell the skin looks very hydrated. And it's because of this beautiful device that I totally love. The Medicube Age Booster Pro. It's looking very shiny and very nice. Okay, so if you made it so far in the video, you maybe want to know, should I buy this? Is this even worth it? Yes. My final answer is yes. You saw all of the molds, the science behind. Yeah, it's very expensive, but at least look at my skin. I don't go to like spa treatments or facials maybe once a year, and I can keep my skin looking like this only with this device at home. If you want to know about the battery life, durability, I will say the battery life is pretty good. I don't remember the last time that I actually charged this. And the only defects that I will say that this device has are two. The first one is that in the design, sometimes when you're using it, you can actually like get confused and press one button instead of the other, and then you're in the middle of a session and then you change modes. And the second flaw that I will say that this device has is that this tip, it's pretty delicate and it kind of cracks if you don't take care of it. Like mine kind of cracked a little bit. I think you can see it there. And those are like the only bad sides that I can say about this device. Besides of that, I love it and highly recommend it to anyone. It was actually a friend of mine that recommended this to me, and I am thankful that she did. Something else that you need to know about this device, the device has an app which is called the Medicube app. I actually have it, but I'm recording on my phone, so probably I'll just put a snapshot of it. So there you can control your sessions, schedule your sessions. It also syncs and tells you like how many sessions you have completed in a week. In the app, you can also add a different light, because you see, despite of the different besides of the different modes it has different lights. So each light helps you with a specific skin concern, and in the app you can access the purple light, which is only you can only sync it with the device if you have the app. Also, the app has like mini games that you can get points that you can later use to purchase more Medicube products. So I think this is a 10 out of 10 and you should definitely buy it. If you made it so far in this video, thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying my short leader night routine. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.